country. Suppose I want to show the India, so I simply use here the India country boundary shapefile and click to the run. So now this map will be showing this result for the India. So we can get this result for the India. We can calculate the mean NDVI for the India. You can see it will be appear. Okay. If you want, you can see the another. Suppose I want to show here this result for the Australia. I simply search here the Australia and then click to the run. So now we can get this result for Australia, and you can easily export this map as a TIFF format. And previous day I also try to show you that how you can easily export this map as a TIFF format. And it has the another way. We also complete this part is the another way. Suppose you can see this is your NDVI map, and we already know that NDVI value range between -1 to +1. But if you want, you can simply check the result from the inspector tab. You can see this result like this. You can see this is the result 3,541. Okay, so this result is not reprojected. Okay, so that's why it will be showing like this. And tomorrow I will so completed this part, so rest of this part. So how you can easily reprojected this scale value, how you can easily reprojected this scale value, and you can get this result range between the -1 to +1. Okay, between this NDVI range. Okay, we also try to complete this part the next day. So any question in this time in here? Any question or any doubt? Anyone?
I do have two questions that I need clarity on.
Yeah.
The first one is that I've observed when you write a script, sometimes you would write in capital letters and then you remove it and you write in small letters.
Yeah.
So what you're basically trying to show us is that this script is case sensitive.
Yeah. So mainly you can see it's called the camel case. Okay. So first letter you can see, suppose you can see this is the filter date. Here you can see first it will be start from the small case and then it will be uppercase. Okay. So it called the camel case, and this function, when you write this function, you can see it will be shown the purple color. If you have any wrong or you mixing the uppercase and lowercase, then you can see this function it not be purple color, it's showing the black color. Suppose I simply use here the small d, then you can see it will be not work and we cannot get this purple color. Okay, so I simply use here the uppercase D, then you can see it will be purple color. So when you this function mainly work is the Earth Engine server, they already defined the filter date function is like this camel case. They already defined map center object is the camel case. They are already defined in the docs tab. Okay, so for this reason, when I use this function, we write this function according this way. Okay.
Noted. Thanks. I do understand. The last question is that if you can look at that var filter NDVI is cost to NDVI filter date, and then you put the date 2015 0101. Why did you use the single code, whereas it appears to be more like numbers?
So here you can see this is the number, but in here you can see I did not use the only for the number. Here you can see this is also a hyphen. Okay, this is also a hyphen. So hyphen as like a string. So that's why I put here the single quote start and end. Okay.
Noted. Thank you.
Okay. So any question, any doubt in here? Okay, and there is the rest of this part. So how you can easily reprojected this scale value and you can get this result between the -1 to +1, and I will try to discuss the next day, and we also try to start our session at the same time. Okay, so today our session is already completed, and I also try to show you this part how to reprojected the scale pixel value. and I also try to show you the next day. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, our today's session will be end. Any question, anyone? And I will send you all of this code, and also you can access these video classes. So here all you can send me your email address, which email you used for your login in your YouTube. Okay, you can just send me this email. I will upload this video in YouTube channel, and I will privately access only for you. So just you can send me your email, which email you used for your login your YouTube. Okay, just you can send me this, and I will access you only for this video privately. Okay, so any question? Anyone, any question? Any question, anyone? Otherwise, our today's session will be end, and we will start the same time tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Today I personally I don't have any question.
Okay. Okay. Anyone?
Same here. I don't have a question, but it's more of like a compliment. And I haven't done this programming before, but you have simplified it in a very simple way, despite the fact that I'm finding you to be very fast. It could be maybe language.
Yeah.
Although you're very fast, but you making it worthwhile. You simplifying concepts. And we are on the same pace as you. It's just that we need to put more effort into practicing and putting all this concept into practice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you. Anyone, any question? Okay, so our today's session is done, and we will start the same time at the tomorrow. Okay, so thank you for joining with us. So see you tomorrow. Okay, so thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.